Hey guys, welcome to Ceiling Fan Abominations. This is a Casablanca Four Seasons with these, I think they're called seaside blades, but they're gigantic. At least the finish matches though. This is a different testing spot. I'm here with Matt Calderell. And this just got a bearing replacement, so we're gonna do that. W11. Should I do demo mode?
Yes, do demo mode.
Okay, here you can do it.
Yeah. I'll stop these because start off like that.
Show the tag. It's from 1990. I just got this. There will be a permanent install for this in the future with a light and a proper setup. There's like a shit ton of wires.
Yeah, I usually cut my wires so they're not that long. I don't plan on putting a down rod on it.
Yeah, this came out of an apartment with a pretty high ceiling, but I need the down rod if I'm gonna put this in my office, so I'm not gonna bother.
This also moves 0 air.
Oh yeah, we should have mentioned that. Well, we're gonna go through speeds anyways, I think, so.
I mean, it literally just like spins. It doesn't move any air whatsoever.
Oh, I felt some like over here. It's just my theory is that like updraft does absolutely nothing, but downdraft is just updraft somehow.
I'm gonna put it on speed 1.
Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna.
Will it start?
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. See, the bearings are brand new, so the grease hasn't really worked in yet. So they're a little on the stiff side.
The ultimate aesthetic low.
Picking up a little bit of speed.
Do you go to speed 2, I think? But yeah, this just came with like normal Snow White blades with the proper stub irons. I just don't have them with me.
Was it the 52 inch?
I have no idea. I feel like it was 48, but this is like the weird transitional. Well, not even transitional. I think this is when they were trying to like phase out the Four Seasons, like when they gave it 5 blades. So who knows?
When I got I don't think Four Seasons look right with 52 inch blades because the motor's so small.
Yeah. The other one's what, like 48 inch?
I think it's 48. I don't really know exactly.
The Four Season looks best though with like small blades, in my opinion.
My brass Four Seasons came with 52 inch stencil blades. Didn't look right. So I ended up getting like really small blades from a collector one time.
Stencil blades are really cool though.
Yeah, I put them on a Victorian.
The plywood looks like a little warped, but it's fine. It doesn't wobble.
That's like 99.999% of the time. Here's speed 4.
It goes faster than I thought it would, but it's still like might be a pitch decrease. I think I have a tape measure if you want to measure this after.
Oh, the wingspan there?
Yeah. It looks like it's 60 inch, but I don't know if that's
I'm
like...
pretty sure that's 52. That looks 52 to me.
Really? Maybe it's because they're curved, or that it's on a Four Seasons motor.
Yeah,
That's getting me.
That looks 52 to me. What are we on now, 5?
Yeah, this is 5. I must have not charged this because it's like about to die already, the battery, but I can get through one video, I think. Speed 6.
No, let it hear the noise.
So
It moves nothing. It moves nothing.
Oh wait, if you put your hand like right here, this is what I mean by it's an updraft. Like I'm on my tiptoes right now, but if you like,
yeah, it moves like
it moves it almost like out sideways. That's so weird, but there's absolutely nothing when you're directly below it.
Yeah, it's these blades are a joke.
It's a cool idea, but I think there's like so many small holes inside like the.
But to me,
the webbing.
it looks like the arms aren't pitched right.
Maybe.
Because you know what? Let me grab one of these blades over here.
Could compare it.
Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. This is definitely more pitched. See that angle?
Huh. At least over here. Oh yeah. Wow, those look flat. Is that the irons though? Cause
yeah, it's the iron.
I forget where I even got these irons from. Cause I just got the blades by themselves.
It would probably be better if like you take some time and like just bend them. I mean, I don't know why something's not right with them. But whatever.
Well, anyways. So for this video, I guess the Saturn is next.